We've got a vegan oaty jam bake.
Yeah, I'll get that. So, right, welcome to a vegan fast food review, UK edition. Now, this isn't a big cheat day. You guys all know how I feel about cheat days. People that eat like 10,000 calories of crap in one day. To prove what point, I don't know. I just think it's a massive waste of food. But this video, I just thought, do you know what? People need to know their options. I personally don't eat vegan junk that much. I haven't had fast food for, I mean, I go out for vegan pizza and stuff, but I haven't had like the fast food places we're gonna go to for like, I don't know, 3-4 years, probably since I've been vegan. I just thought, do you know what? Let's go and investigate the vegan options in the UK at all the fast food places. So, this is strictly for educational purposes. I'm doing it for the good of the people.
For the next 25 minutes, Miles tried his best to convince himself that he was doing this for education. In reality, we all know he just wanted to have a massive junk food binge. Education my ass. Bitch, please.
First stop, KFC. Do you know what? I have no idea what vegan options they have here. I didn't even look it up online. I know the fries are. Also, yeah, for once, can we have a comment section where I'm not constantly accused of looking like someone? No joke, every single video I get a few comments telling me I look like a young John Stamos, which, to be honest, I can't see at all. However, today we're just going with a Little Red Riding Hood look. Can I get like all the vegan stuff? Okay, so apparently the only vegan options here at KFC are the French fries, because they are fried in sunflower oil and not with the animal stuff. And then also the veggie rice bowl, but you got to get it without the garlic sauce, because yeah, the garlic sauce is just full of shies. Do you know what? I'm so not even a French fry person at all. But ketchup can save anything, right? Alright, well, to be honest, KFC was a massive fail because the rice bowl wasn't even vegan when I got to the window, because I think there was egg or milk in the rice. So the only option they have at KFC for vegans is unfortunately fries. Also, yeah, I'm sorry, but I ordered a large and that is not a large. Their fries are kind of bland, no salt, which, I mean, I'm not even a French fry person. I make fries at home, like baked fries, like the healthy, you know, vegan fries, without oil and stuff, but like these have no flavor whatsoever. Crunch factor, can you hear a crunch? Not that crunchy. However, I kind of knew that some of the vegan options were going to be bland. What did you expect? You always need to keep tahini in your glove box just in case, because you never know what situation you might find yourself in, and this always saves the day. Now we're talking. Not off to the best start, I'm not gonna lie. Their options were shit. Yeah, if you're a vegan, I mean, just don't bother coming to KFC because it's just pants. They're not catering to us yet. Let's start a petition. Anyways, next stop, McDonald's. Apple pie at McDonald's has always been unintentionally vegan, and fries, and
Yeah, the Veggie Burger doesn't have any cheese in it, but I'll take out the mayo for you.
okay, these people really know nothing about what they actually serve. Just saying. Just checking online that these things are actually vegan, because these workers seem to have no idea what they're actually serving. Anyways, the Veggie Burger is fully vegan, so I can't wait for that. Alright, I am pretty impressed. Okay, I also got a Diet Coke with my meal. Don't judge. I mean, I'm eating shit anyway, why not? Anyways, alright, so oh, for a second I thought they didn't put the sweet chili sauce in. Oh, almost had a heart attack.
Not a heart attack!
Usually comes with mayo, but the actual burger and bun is vegan. So all you need to do is like add your own sauce. As you can see, it looks very dry. I'm gonna taste it without the sauce first. Really hot. I'm not gonna lie, that is really good. Even without sauce, that veggie burger, a lot of flavor. That's really, really good. I would actually 100% recommend this. It's so hot though. Alright, well, they killed it with that burger. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Really good flavor. Just put some sauce on it, really good. I'm pretty sure it's not that unhealthy either, because it's not deep fried. Well, actually, Onto the famous McDonald's fries, which I know for all of my American viewers out there, the fries in America are not vegan from McDonald's because I think they're coated in milk or are they fried in like animal oil. Here they are fully vegan. And they put salt on them, like I said, I'm not even a fry person, but these are some good fries. Yeah, for all you people on my videos that accuse me of only eating salads and fruit and avocados, now what, huh? Joke's on you. This veggie burger, I can't, like I'm actually gonna finish it. This was supposed to be a taste test, but it's turned into a full-on mukbang. Woo, I'm already in a food coma. This is gonna give me a heart attack, for sure. Not a heart attack! Anyways, I'm pretty sure you all know, I think it's the same in the States too. The McDonald's apple pie has always been, vegan. It's always been unintentionally vegan. Okay, like, do you know what? I so would have brought Aslan with me, but he's actually not even in the country, so next time. Apple pie. Look at that oozy stuff. I mean, as someone that hasn't even had apple pie in like years, like not even healthy version, I just like haven't had it. This is actually really good. Obviously it's just a pile of you health wise, but flavor wise I give this a good 8 out of 10. Really nice crunch on the outside. I mean, it's deep fried. The filling's actually really nice. You get like a little kick of cinnamon as well. Best part is the crunch factor. I am so gonna regret this tonight. Anyways, next place to tick off, Burger King. I know a lot of you guys assume or think that I live in London, Londres. I don't. I actually live in Margate. I live in Margate, yeah? Whoa, bump. Apple pie in my tooth. Oh my god, what is she doing? Are you actually having a draft? Move!
Move, bitch! Get out the way! Get out the way, bitch!
What is this woman in front doing? Don't ask about the hood, it just makes me feel more safe. I've already mentioned that. I'm just checking like all of the options because these people have no idea. So what you need to know about Burger King before I actually get the order is their fries are fully vegan, apparently. It says that online as well. So their veggie bean burger can be made vegan. You just get rid of the cheese and the mayo. And I've asked them to put barbecue sauce on that. And then they have these new drinks. They have like a Coke freeze. This is stuff that I would never even eat, like. But as we're here, and like I said, this is strictly for
educational purposes.
Alrighty, let's pull up. First of all, we've got the Fanta Freeze. Again, I would never, I just don't even like this stuff, but as it's vegan and I want to show you what you can get. So they had a Coke one as well, but I got the Fanta one. Whoa. It's very like disgusting! Bean burger. Actually, that's really nice. They even put some iceberg lettuce in there for some extra damage limitations. I'm gonna be on Banana Island for like the next 5 weeks after this. As you can see, like there's the bean patty, tomato, and because I got rid of the mayo, they added barbecue sauce inside. I'm so gonna regret this. It's actually activism. This is vegan activism right here. Veggie burger, really good. If you get it, make sure you ask to get it with like barbecue sauce or ketchup inside. Not as good as the McDonald's one, because that was like really good. I think this one is not as good because the ratio of like burger to bread, there's just like so much bread. It was like quite doughy. They're making the patty without egg, which is really good. So it means that we can eat it and stuff. I know a few people have done this, like vegan fast food review in the States. Obviously I know the one that's got like the most attention is Emma Chamberlain's one, which was absolutely hilarious. I only found out about her, and I'm only mentioning this because I got comments, I think, on my recreating Starbucks drink video. I got loads of comments like, you edit like Emma Chamberlain, and I was like, who is this? I had no idea. Yeah, so then I went and found out who she was, and I realized that she uses the zoom effect like even more than me. Absolutely hilarious. But just before anyone comments, I've been on YouTube for 2 years, and I've always been editing like this. Like, go back and watch my old videos, like way before she was even on YouTube, so just saying. Burger, 8 out of 10. Listen to that crunch. These are good, much better than KFC. KFC was just a big pile of like, just don't do it. Their fries were soggy, no salt. They gave me a small when I asked for a large. Well, McDonald's fries were 10 out of 10. These, I would say like 7, 8 out of 10. The texture's nice, they're crunchy, they're thick, but again, they haven't added salt, which in my opinion is a bit of a crime. I just shook them and all the salt is actually at the bottom, so I take that back. My body hasn't been exposed to this much junk since like, I don't know, well like in ever. So I hope you guys appreciate that I'm taking one for the team. I think if I've learned anything from today so far, it's reminded me why I eat healthy. Anyways, next stop, Costa. I come here all the time to edit, like sit inside, and they know me as that vegan that's always like perching over to make sure that they're using soy and decaf for me because I've got one adrenal gland. But I'm going to try something different today.
Hiya, what can I get for you? You can have any of the cold drinks. We do coconut milk as well. We've got a vegan oaty jam bake.
Yeah, I'll get that. I wonder if she noticed my voice through the drive-thru. They're like preparing themselves because they know that Miles. Don't get me wrong, I love Costa, I love the vibe. They do have some nice drinks, but it's just not, it's no Starbucks. It cannot be compared. It can't be compared, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna lie, I felt better. I got my vegan cake and now they're bringing my Mocha Frascati, which is pretty much like a Mocha Frappuccino. It's just not as good, it's just not. I say that, I haven't actually had it before, so I shouldn't really knock it before I've tried it, but really good cake. Can you see all of that jam in the middle? And they've got some pumpkin seeds on top. Okay, so I had to send my drink back. This happens all the time because they made it with caffeine rather than decaf. I'm not allowed to drink caffeine. Number one, because I'm already like hyper and crazy, but number two, because I've got one adrenal gland, so if I have caffeine, I literally... Actually, do you know what? That's a good video idea. I should just like drink some real coffee and then just like film myself for 10 minutes. No, but legit though, all the time, even though I say decaf, soy, they usually get the soy right, but I watch them and they always put normal caffeine. I'm like, God damn it. Basically what they told me is that all of their drinks can be made vegan, apart from their like salted caramel crunch or something. So yeah, this is the Mocha Frascati. They do use vegan chocolate powder and sauce, and it just tastes like a chocolate frappuccino, and you can get it with soy or you can get it with coconut milk. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I do make them better at home, but I'd give this a good 9 out of 10. So this jam bake, which I was trying to show you, and it fell apart while I was at the window, it's like a bit like a flapjack. Like there's lots of oats and nuts in there. It's actually quite healthy, I mean compared to what I've just eaten. Pumpkin seeds on top for damage limitations. As fun as that was, I feel like I'm gonna pass out. That cake is really good though. I mean, no offense to like junk food vegans or anything, like if you're vegan and that's how you want to eat, then I guess you do you. I personally could not eat like this every day. Anyways, let's sum things up, yeah? Right now I feel like I've taken 10 Valium. And I've only had 5 today.
Satisfy my appetite with something spectacular. Check your vernacular, and then I get back to ya. With diamond like precision, insatiable is what I envision. Can't detect acquisition from your